Okay, so for testing the HomTom HT3 battery, I did two sets of tests. One was a torture test that was an extreme usage. In the case of the torture test, the battery lasted from 10 in the morning to approximately 2:30 in the afternoon. So 4.5 hours. Now, for the torture test, what I did was I turned the screen brightness all the way up. And I also played games which are graphics intensive, as you can see. And I had the wallpaper be the 3D animated wallpaper. That's the default wallpaper that comes with the phone, that also consumes a lot of battery. So that's 4.5 hours for the torture test. It was everything on the extreme settings. For the regular usage test, I had the screen brightness below 50%, and I had also checked the box on the display settings that says adjust brightness levels or something like that. And I just did my regular everyday usage, nothing heavy or intensive at all. So it basically lasted from 3 in the afternoon till about 6:30 in the next morning. So that's almost 11 hours the battery lasted. And as you can see, I really didn't do anything that's totally intensive. There was a little bit of a radio, online radio playback, live streaming that I did listen to. Nothing much other than that was anything intensive or harsh. So almost 10.5 hours on my regular use. That's actually really good.